Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you another review, one of my favorite skincare line, and that is the Mixa Panthenol. So this is the Mixa Panthenol Comfort. So basically this is the purple Mixa. So I've talked about the blue, the yellow, and the red. There's a large product because basically they have 4 colors, and I've talked about all of them but this one. So what is this? As you can see, Panthenol Comfort. So this cream contains 13% glycerin and omega-6 and 9. So when you hear Panthenol, you know it heals, it soothes, your skin. Some people have this problem. When they get out of the shower, they feel itchy, like, the whole body, face, hands, back, their whole body feel, that kind of discomfort. So if you're one of those people, this is here for you. So basically, this hydrates as well. And as you can see, it's a very thick cream. I've used about 3/4, yeah. And you see, very light. Is almost odorless, there is no fragrance added to it. For those of you who do not like fragrances in your skincare cosmetics, this is a great product for you. This costs like about €9, yeah, and they all cost the same. All the products cost the same, and it's a 400 ml. It says you can use it on your face, your body, and on your hands. So if you've got itchy sensation on your body, on your skin, on your face, this actually suits it. So how you use it is that you just put a little bit on the affected area or on your whole body, and you just rub, and you're good to go. It's very, very soothing. Usually Panthenol creams are expensive. I mean, good Panthenol creams are expensive, but this is so affordable. 400 milliliters of cream, and that's a good deal. It can last for a very long time depending on how often you use it. If I have to compare it to CeraVe and CeraVe, obviously they are on the more expensive side. So if you're looking for something more affordable but effective, you can try this Mixa Panthenol Comfort Cream. Talking about the hydration effects, it does hydrate your skin very well. If you use this in the morning, your skin stays hydrated throughout the day. And I can attest to the fact that it actually calms your skin from itchiness, especially during the cold seasons. You get out of the shower and you get that, those itchy sensations. You can apply this on your skin and you're good to go. If you stay under the sun for too long and you want something to soothe, to cool your skin, to calm your skin and prevent redness, this is a good option. Very affordable. It walks the talk, very effective. So basically that is it. This is a good product. I'm definitely going to get it again. It has a plus because it doesn't have any fragrance added to it. A very natural scent, and above all, it's good for its price. Okay, so this is it. I hope you are going to give it a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.